Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. Red Cat Reading. Learn to read. The planets. Earth is a planet. A planet is a huge object that travels around a star. Earth travels around the sun. The sun is a big star. 7 other planets also travel around the sun. Let's learn about them. Mercury is closest to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet. It looks like the moon. Venus is the planet after Mercury. You can see Venus on clear nights. It is a very bright planet. Earth is the planet after Venus. Earth is the only planet we know of with life. Mars is the planet after Earth. Mars is a red planet. The color comes from rocks. Jupiter is the planet after Mars. It is the biggest planet. Jupiter's stripes are made by strong winds. Saturn is the planet after Jupiter. Saturn has beautiful rings. The rings are made of rocks and ice. Uranus is the planet after Saturn. Uranus is blue-green in color. The color comes from a gas. Neptune is blue and very bright. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It took this spaceship 12 years to get there. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Measure things. We can measure things to find out how long they are. We use a ruler to measure many things. How long is this eraser? The eraser is 2 inches long. How long are these scissors? The scissors are 3 inches long. How long is this marker? The marker is 4 inches long. How long is this pen? The pen is 5 inches long. How long is this spoon? The spoon is 6 inches long. How long is this pencil? The pencil is 7 inches long. How long is this toy? The toy is 9 inches long. How long is this flashlight? The flashlight is 10 inches long. How long is this giraffe's neck? The giraffe's neck is very long. measure, ruler, inches, eraser, scissors, marker, pen, spoon, pencil, toy, flashlight, giraffe, make a mask. Do you want to make a mask? Get 3 pieces of foil. Stack the pieces of foil. Hold the foil in front of your face. Gently press the foil to your face. Give the foil the shape of your face. Cut the foil in the shape of your face. Cut holes for the eyes. Cut a hole for the mouth. Cut little holes at the sides. Tie ribbons or shoelaces to the holes. Cut many pieces of masking tape. Cover the foil with masking tape. Cover the foil on both sides of the mask. Paint the mask. You can also glue things on the mask. Let the mask dry. Put on the mask. Who are you? Foil. Press. Cut the eyes. Mouth. Masking tape. Paint the glue. Do you want to make some yummy cookies? Have an adult turn on the oven. Take some butter out of the fridge. Put some flour in a bowl. Add some baking powder to the bowl. Mix everything together. Put some sugar in a different bowl. Add some soft butter to the bowl. Mix the sugar and butter together. Add 1 egg and some vanilla. Mix everything together. Then, add everything from the first bowl. Add some chocolate chips. Mix everything together. Make balls of dough with a small spoon. Put the balls of dough on a cookie sheet. Have an adult put the cookies in the oven. Bake the cookies until they are golden. Have an adult take the cookies out of the oven. Let the cookies cool. Then eat some cookies. Yummy! Red Cat Reading. Learn to read. Under a microscope. Do you want to see some really cool things? Look under a microscope. A microscope makes things look much bigger than they really are. Can you guess what this is? It is a leaf under a microscope. Can you guess what this is? It is a feather under a microscope. Can you guess what this is? It is snow under a microscope. Can you guess what this is? It is tree bark under a microscope. Can you guess what this is? It is a butterfly wing under a microscope. What else do you want to see under a microscope? Leaf, feather, snow, tree bark, butterfly wing, angry. Sometimes I feel angry. Everyone feels angry sometimes. I want to yell when I feel angry. I don't want to hurt anyone. I yell at a wall. I want to hit when I feel angry. I don't want to hurt anyone. I hit a pillow. I want to kick when I feel angry. I don't want to hurt anyone. I kick a pile of leaves. I want to be mean when I feel angry. I don't want to hurt anyone. I make mean faces. Then I start to laugh. I don't feel angry anymore. Red Cat Reading. The end. Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. For more stories and worksheets, check our website